Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good morning to everyone. I am Madam Q. Again, how are you today? I hope everyone is well. I am fine, Alhamdulillah. Without further delay, let us start our PDPR session for today. We're still in the starter unit, but the topic for today is prepositions and everyday objects. Topik kita masih unit kita masih dekat starter unit, tapi topik kita prepositions and everyday objects. Okay, for your reference, please get the student's book and then turn to page 6. Okay, pause the video while searching for the book. Awak pause dulu video ni sementara mencari buku, kemudian click on the play button again. Okay. Class, are you ready? Let's start. These are the learning objectives and success criteria for today. Things in the classroom. Before we begin the activity, let us learn the pronunciation of the words first. You must be able to pronounce the words correctly. Are you ready? Table, drawer, mobile phone, poster, laptop, speaker, desk, coat, bag, chair, notebook, pen, shelf, board, dictionary, clock. Can you get it? Okay, let's repeat. Table, drawer, mobile phone, poster, laptop, speaker, desk, coat, bag, chair, notebook, pen, shelf, board, dictionary, clock. Alright everyone, I'm sure all of you have understood the meanings of the words. However, if you don't understand the meaning of the words, you can always find the meanings of the words in your dictionary. Saya rasa awak faham semua perkataan kan? Kalau tak faham, don't worry, jangan risau. Awak boleh cari maksud in your dictionary dalam kamus. Ataupun you can use your Google Translate. Awak boleh gunakan Google Translate. But how? Let me show you. Okay, first, open your Google search. Then, key in the word Google Translate. Okay, it's already there. Click on the words. Alright, when you see this page, look at the boxes on the left and the right. Box on the left is for the words you don't understand. Box di sebelah kiri adalah untuk perkataan yang awak tak faham. Okey, awak jangan tulis Malay Malay ni perkataan yang awak dah faham. Kita cari bahasa Inggeris. Tukar pada Inggeris. Kalau susah nak cari satu-satu, type je English. Okey, sebelah kanan pula bahasa yang awak nak tahu maksud perkataan tersebut. Of course lah bahasa Melayu kan. Okey, bahasa Melayu ni Malay dia dah siap-siap tulis kat sini. And then key in the words you want to know the meaning of. Draw. Okay. Kat sini dah automatic dah tulis laci. Kalau awak nak dengar pronunciation pun boleh. Dekat gambar speaker ni awak boleh dengar bunyi yang betul. Okay, I hope it helps. Now everyone, let us match and label the words with the pictures. Can you do that? Okay, no problem. If you don't know how to label the words with the pictures, please listen carefully to the audio and then let's do the exercise together. Kalau awak tak tahu, let's listen, dengar audio dengan teliti dan kita buat sama-sama. Are you ready?
Starter Unit. Vocabulary. Exercise 1. 1,
Poster.
2,
Speaker.
3,
Laptop.
4,
Table.
5,
Drawer.
6,
Mobile phone.
7,
Clock.
8,
Board.
9,
Dictionary.
10,
Shelf.
11,
Pen.
12,
Notebook.
13,
Desk.
14,
Coat.
15,
Chair.
16.
Bag.
Okay, now we know the names of the things in the classroom. Kalau awak tak tahu, awak boleh pause. You can pause the video. Lepas tu awak tengok, kaji gambar ni. Okay? Okay. Okay, everyone. Let's move to the next slide, which is prepositions. Prepositions ni maksudnya kata ganti, kata tunjuk arah. Kata tunjuk arah On, di atas. Near, berdekatan. Under, di bawah. Between, di tengah-tengah atau di antara. In, di dalam. Next to, di sebelah. Opposite, bertentangan ataupun berhadapan. Okay, for this activity, please refer to page 6 of your student's book. Please refer to the pictures for better understanding, for your reference. Okay, while looking at the pictures, please listen to the audio. Are you ready? Please lend me your ears. Give your attention, please.
Starter Unit. Vocabulary. Exercise 2. 1. The dictionaries are on the shelf. 2. The teacher's mobile is in the drawer. 3. The laptop is between the speakers. 4. The students' chairs are under their desks. 5. The poster is next to the teacher's table. 6. Harry's coat is on his chair. 7. Harry's bag is under his desk. 8. The clock is near the board. 9. The board is opposite the students' desks. 10. Harry's pen is next to his notebook. 11. Paul's desk is between Harry and Eva's desks. Starter Unit.
Okay, everyone. Let us check the answer. Okay, the dictionaries are on the shelf. On tu di atas. Di atas. Di atas rak. The teacher's mobile is in the drawer. Okay, teacher's mobile phone dekat dalam laci. The laptop is between the speakers. Di antara speaker. Okay, the students' chair are under their desk. Under ni maksudnya apa? Ingat tak? Okay, kalau tak ingat, awak boleh ke belakangkan video. Under maksudnya di bawah. Okay, the poster is next to teacher's table. Poster ni sebelah teacher's table. Harry's coat, gambar bawah pula. Harry's coat is on his chair. Harry's coat ada atas kerusi dia. Harry's bag is under. Under tu maksudnya di bawah his desk. The clock is near the board. Berdekatan dengan papan tulis. The board is opposite the student's desk. Papan ni bertentangan dengan meja pelajar. Betul kan? Okay. Harry's pen is next to his notebook. Pen dia ni kecil je gambar. Berdekatan, bersebelahan dengan buku dia. Paul's desk is between Harry's and Eva's desk. Ni Harry's desk and this is Eva's desk. So between them is Paul's desk. Meja Paul ni di tengah-tengah antara Harry and Eva's. Sorry. Okay everyone. Memory test. Do you still remember the sentences? Awak ingat lagi tak? Okay. Now pause the video. Awak pausekan video ni. Lepas tu cuba ingat balik perkataan. Awak boleh refer pada muka surat 6 ni. Muka surat 6 ni yang ada gambar frogs tu. Okay. Boleh ingat tak in, on, under tu? Awak refer pada gambar. In, on, under, between, next to. Okay. Boleh? Okay, kita cuba. Let's try. Okay, awak dah tekan play balik Okay. Now, let's test. Do you still remember? Untuk gambar ni. Okay. The teacher's mobile is in the drawer. Okay, dekat dalam laci. Okay. The laptop is between the speakers. Di antara speaker. Okay, next tu. Apa yang next tu? Yes. The poster is next to the teacher's table. Well done. Okay. Next. Can you still remember this? Apa perkataan yang membabitkan on? Okay. Please pause the video and think for a while. Fikirkan ayat tadi. Hafal tak tadi? Okay. Kalau tak ingat boleh tengok kat sini lagi. Yang kena dengan gambar di bawah ni pula. Okay. Kita cuba. Let's try. Okay. Tekan play balik. Okay. Ingat tak ayatnya? Okay. Jom kita check. Let's check the answers. Okay, number 1. The dictionaries are on the shelf. Okay. Under. Apa yang under? Yes, the students' chair are under their desk. Kerusi ni di bawah meja. Next. Harry's coat is on his chair. Coat Harry ni di atas kerusi dia. Apa lagi yang under? Yes, Harry's bag is under his desk di bawah. Near. Clock. The clock is near the board. Okay, what is opposite? Ingat tak lagi apa? Opposite bertentangan. Tadi gambar kucing tu dia tengok seorang-seorang tu. Seorang seko-seko. Okay. Yes, the board is opposite the student's desk. Harry's pen is next to his notebook. Paul's desk is between Harry and Eva's desk. Meja tu di antara. Ni meja Paul di tengah-tengah between Harry and Eva. I hope all of you can understand the lesson for today. That's all for now. I hope to see you soon. Goodbye. Thank you everyone for listening. Bye.